Our experience with advanced roofing was very satisfactory. We're quite pleased the way that the job was done. We have no complaints whatsoever. Our representative was Derek. Derek did a great job explaining the insurance claim process. He actually gave us additional choices and options that we were not considering. I was talking to another roofing contractor at the time that I started talking to Derek, and once I realized the way that he was handling the process, it was like day and night. He never rushed us. He was great with us, and once I got to see that and how our neighbor's roof was done, I realized, okay, this is my way forward. It was a great experience. The beginning of it all was that Derek conducted an inspection of the full attic, everything. He climbed into the roof and checked the whole roof. He helped us to select the colors, all the different materials that we needed. The materials were delivered very promptly, and the crew showed early in the morning, and it was a great crew. There was about 14, 15 people up on my roof. They did it all in one day. That was incredible. I couldn't believe they did that in one day. I would definitely recommend advanced roofing to anyone that comes and asks me about how they did the job. Without question, I've done that already. I told all my neighbors, that we had a great experience. Everything was done just right.